I have researched the top air fryers of this year to provide you with an overview of their features, pros, and cons. Air fryers have become increasingly popular for their ability to cook food with little to no oil, resulting in healthier meals with crispy textures. Here are the top 3 air fryers of this year. All the links mentioned in this review video are in the description below. At number 3 we have the Ninja Air Fryer, one of the most versatile and popular air fryers on the market. The Ninja Air Fryer is not just an air fryer, but also roasts, reheats, and dehydrates food. It's a fantastic kitchen appliance that has garnered a lot of attention in recent years, and in this video, we'll take a closer look at its features, pros, and cons. The Ninja Air Fryer has a 4-quart capacity and uses a unique airflow system to cook food quickly and evenly. The fryer has a digital control panel that offers 4 cooking presets, making it easy to use. The presets include air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. The fryer has a temperature range of 105° Fahrenheit to 400° Fahrenheit, making it versatile enough to cook a wide range of foods. One of the biggest pros of the Ninja Air Fryer is its versatility. As mentioned earlier, it's not just an air fryer, but also roasts, reheats, and dehydrates. This makes it an all-in-one kitchen appliance that can save you time and money. Another pro of the Ninja Air Fryer is its ease of use. The digital control panel makes it easy to select the cooking presets and adjust the temperature and time. The fryer also cooks food quickly and evenly, producing crispy and delicious results. One of the cons of the Ninja Air Fryer is its small capacity. It only has a 4-quart capacity, which may not be enough for larger families or entertaining. Another con is the fact that the cord length is quite short, which may limit where you can place it in your kitchen. Additionally, the fryer can be quite loud when in use, which may be a concern for some users. Its unique airflow system and 4 cooking presets make it a great choice for those who want an all-in-one kitchen appliance. If you're looking for a versatile and easy-to-use air fryer, the Ninja Air Fryer is definitely worth considering. At number 2 we'll be discussing the COSORI Pro 2 Air Fryer, one of the most popular and versatile air fryers on the market. The COSORI Pro 2 Air Fryer is known for its large capacity, easy-to-use digital display, and sleek design. In this video, we'll take a closer look at its features, pros, and cons. The COSORI Pro 2 Air Fryer has a 5.8-quart capacity, which makes it perfect for families or for entertaining. The fryer uses rapid air circulation technology to cook food quickly and evenly. The digital display offers 13 cooking presets, making it easy to use. The fryer has a temperature range of 170° Fahrenheit to 400° Fahrenheit, making it versatile enough to cook a wide range of foods. One of the biggest pros of the COSORI Pro 2 Air Fryer is its large capacity. The 5.8-quart capacity is perfect for families or for entertaining. Another pro of the COSORI Pro 2 Air Fryer is its easy-to-use digital display. The 13 cooking presets make it easy to select the cooking mode and adjust the temperature and time. The fryer also cooks food quickly and evenly, producing crispy and delicious results. Additionally, the COSORI Pro 2 Air Fryer comes with a number of accessories, including a non-stick basket and a recipe book. The fryer basket and accessories are dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup a breeze. One of the cons of the COSORI Pro 2 Air Fryer is its size. The fryer is quite large, which may be an issue for those with limited counter space. Additionally, the fryer can be quite loud when in use, which may be a concern for some users. Overall, the COSORI Pro 2 Air Fryer is a fantastic kitchen appliance that offers a large capacity, easy-to-use digital display, and delicious results. Its 13 cooking presets and large temperature range make it a versatile choice for any kitchen. However, its size and noise level may be a concern for some users. If you're looking for a large capacity and versatile air fryer, the COSORI Pro 2 Air Fryer is definitely worth considering. Coming in at number 1 is the Philips Premium Air Fryer, an amazing kitchen appliance that brings 100% taste satisfaction with crispy on the outside and tender on the inside results, using little to no added oil. The Philips Premium Air Fryers are the only air fryers with fat removal technology that extracts and captures excess fat, more fat than other air fryer competitors. In this video, we'll take a closer look at its features, pros, and cons. The Philips Premium Air Fryer has a 3 pounds capacity, which makes it perfect for families or for entertaining. With no preheat needed, you can make delicious meals 4 times faster than an oven for up to 6 people every day. The digital interface offers 5 preset cooking programs, making it easy to use. The fryer also has a temperature range of 150° Fahrenheit to 400° Fahrenheit, which allows you to cook a wide range of foods. All removable parts are dishwasher safe, and the Airfryer's quick clean basket has a non-stick coating for easy cleaning. An included 1-year warranty helps maintain peace of mind. One of the biggest pros of the Philips Premium Airfryer is its innovative design. Its TurboStar technology ensures even cooking and crispy results, while the fat removal technology extracts and captures excess fat, making it a healthier option for frying. Additionally, the presets make it easy to select the cooking program and adjust the temperature and time. The fryer also cooks food quickly and produces delicious results. Moreover, the Philips Premium Airfryer is very easy to clean. The removable non-stick drawer and food basket are dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup a breeze. The fryer also has a compact design, which makes it easy to store when not in use. One of the cons of the Philips Premium Airfryer is its size. The fryer is quite large, which may be an issue for those with limited counter space. Additionally, the fryer can be quite noisy when in use, which may be a concern for some users. Overall, the Philips Premium Airfryer is a fantastic kitchen appliance that offers innovative design, large capacity, and healthy frying results. Its TurboStar and fat removal technology ensures even cooking and crispy results, while also removing excess fat. The digital interface makes it easy to use, and the fryer cooks food quickly and produces delicious results. Although its size and noise level may be a concern for some users, the Philips Premium Airfryer is definitely worth considering. Lastly, if you want to unleash the full potential of your Philips Airfryer, you can download the free Philips Kitchen app to discover hundreds of tasty recipes and explore features to strengthen your cooking skills and make homemade meals that you and your family love every day. In conclusion, each of these air fryers has unique features and benefits. Regardless of your preference, any of these air fryers would be a great addition to your kitchen. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you found this video helpful.